Well, as you may have noticed, I've recently moved into a new apartment, and without getting into too much detail, at least in this video, it's been a bit of an intensive and expensive process. The goal was to design a space that I would love to live and work in, something I really can't say was the case with my previous place that I sort of haphazardly moved into and assembled when I started college about 3 or 4 years ago. Every livable room in here has been painstakingly built to function and look amazing, at least in my eyes or on camera. That's why I'm glad my friends over at Anker decided to send over their gorgeous 3-in-1 charging station to incorporate into my bedroom setup. Something else I'm sure you can gather is that I roughly use all of the devices in the Apple ecosystem extensively, which is why this accessory is such a vital fixture in my life now. And speaking of being a fixture, that's exactly what Anker had in mind with this charging station. It was designed to fit your home's aesthetic, drawing upon lots of home-oriented design. In my case, I think it blends in really nicely with this white IKEA Malm dresser situation I got going on over here. On top of the premium soft touch plastic used in its construction, the premium metal rod they've integrated really makes this thing gorgeous, and according to Anker, it undergoes 3 polishing processes to come out looking this shiny. It kind of reminds me of the Vision Pro stands you see in the Apple Store, and that's exactly the kind of vibe I'm going for in here. So yeah, overall, this charging station adds to the sleek, modern, very Apple-oriented aesthetic I got going on in here with a very high level of craftsmanship that reflects the products it recharges. And that it does, wirelessly at 15 watts, which is doubly fast or twice the standard 7.5 watt rate. This is great if you want to throw your phone on for a few minutes to get some extra juice before heading out. The charging module here is also one-to-one to Apple's MagSafe hardware, so you can rest assured you're getting an OEM charging experience just like you would with the cabled Apple MagSafe charger. It can also charge your Apple Watch quickly too. Anker claims the 3-in-1 can recharge a Series 9 from 0 to 48% in just 30 minutes. This watch charging performance is actually really important to me since I pretty much have my Apple Watch Ultra glued to my wrist most of the time, every day and night, especially now that I've started tracking my sleep. This way, when I wake up to go through my morning routine, I can briefly throw this on the 3-in-1 and have it nearly fully charged and ready for another 22 hours of usage without much delay. The watch charging module is also certified by Apple, so your charging experience should be one-to-one with OEM equipment. They also throw in some anti-slip stickers, which will help your watch stay on the charger, especially if it's a heavy all-metal setup like mine. And of course, you can charge your AirPods 2, which I do every night before religiously using them the next day. All this to say, I love how this 3-in-1 charging station can charge all 3 of my most used mobile devices at the same time without any clutter or multiple cables, all while looking absolutely stunning as well. Anker was also kind enough to send over 2 more accessories to test out with my daily driver iPhone 15 Pro Max. The first is their magnetic phone case with ring stand, and if you've been watching my channel for a minute, you'll know I really enjoy cases like this. The case itself is constructed really nicely out of high quality plastic with slightly ridged sides to provide a more secure, ergonomic grip in the hand. It also has substantially raised edges around the screen and camera portions, ensuring your iPhone survives tough drops. Most importantly though, the built-in ring stand is just excellent, with 12N high-powered magnets that give it a 40% stronger grip than more typical cases. It also rotates 360 degrees and locks into place every few degrees you turn it, which also results in this nice clicking sound or sensation. In short, it lets you prop up your phone any which way you want with great stability. It also can provide a little extra grip, like a pop socket when you need it. But best of all, it just folds right back up into the case, flush when not in use. The second product they sent over is a screen protector kit, and I'm usually horrible and I don't use screen protectors with my phones because I hate the way they look and feel, but my reluctance also has to do with the fact that installation is usually a nightmare and I screw it up with air bubbles, lots of them, dust, etc. Thankfully, this kit solves a lot of the hassle. All you do is clean your phone screen with the included supplies, place your phone face down in the included box, shut the lid, and gently pull the tab, which seamlessly adheres the protector to your phone with advanced micro-nano adhesive tech without being exposed to the elements. The protector is also high quality too, with black bezels to blend in more with your phone and offers 9H level of hardness. And that about wraps things up. I hope this video was helpful. These accessories really only further my incredible experience with the Apple products I use every day, like my iPhone and AirPods and Apple Watch Ultra. And of course, I'll leave links to everything in the video description down below if you're interested. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.